The manufacturing demonstration facility at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, funded by the U.S. Department of Energy, is the nation's leading center for advanced manufacturing research. We work at the pace of industry to redefine American manufacturing. We combine decades of experience with world-leading expertise in advanced manufacturing, materials science, neutron science, artificial intelligence, and high-performance computing. Together, these strengths help us solve the most complex industrial challenges. We're exploring new materials, advanced composites, novel alloys, and more. Their impact reaches across aerospace, automotive, and nuclear energy. These next-generation materials cost less and perform better than traditional options. We're developing faster, more efficient ways to build complex systems at scale. Our work enables the large components that power the nation's energy infrastructure. We use neutrons to see inside materials and manufacturing processes at the smallest scale. That insight gives us clarity and confidence never before possible. We're transforming smart manufacturing, linking physics-based models with AI-driven data systems. This integration unleashes the full potential of robotics and manufacturing automation. The MDF is an innovation ecosystem that unites partners from across the nation. Together, we tackle the hardest problems in manufacturing. Through our technical collaboration program, we accelerate new technologies, strengthen supply chains, and boost U.S. competitiveness. At the Manufacturing Demonstration Facility, we're not just imagining the future of American manufacturing, we're building it.